Good morning everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I will read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me, yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A lion, an ass and a fox formed a hunting party and after an exciting chase caught and killed a great stag. All 3 were hungry, but the lion especially so. "Here, friend ass," he roared, "divide up the spoils and let's have our dinner. I'm just about starved." The ass was trying his best to divide the carcass into 3 equal portions when the lion fell upon him with a roar and tore him to pieces. "Now," said the lion to the fox, "let's see how good you are at dividing the stag into 2 parts." Taking one look at the remains of the poor ass, the fox said never a word, but made sure that in the division of the meat he left the lion's share for the king of beasts, and only a mouthful for himself. The lion nodded approvingly. "A very fair division indeed," said he. "Who could have taught you to divide so fairly?" "If I needed any lesson," replied the fox, "I had only to look at the body of our late friend, the ass over yonder." The name of the story: The Lion, the Ass and the Fox. The moral: we learn by the misfortunes of others. The second story: a great rivalry existed among the beasts of the forest over which could produce the largest litter. Some shamefacedly admitted having only 2, while others boasted proudly of having a dozen. At last the committee called upon the lioness. "And to how many cubs do you give birth?" they asked the proud lioness. "1," she replied sternly, "but that one is a lion." The name of the story: The Lioness. Moral: quality is more important than quantity.